Alright, let's do a product review. These are the Crochet Lite crochet hooks. They came in this package. This is the value pack. And they're pretty cool. They each light up. And you're supposed to be able to crochet with them at nighttime. Anyways, I'll save you from us lighting all of those up. Let's see how they are in the dark. So, here I am in the bedroom. Ooh, that's 4. That's 1. That's pretty bright. You have to be a rocket scientist apparently to turn it off. Little switch, little switch, little switch. Okay. We'll set those aside and drop them. Here's our yarn. I can actually see it, and it is totally dark in my bedroom. It's bright enough I can see that I'm making a circle. I just made a slip knot. That's pretty cool. You can actually crochet. I'm going to do a few stitches and let you see them. That's 4 stitches on a chain, and I can see them, and I'm able to even do a double crochet, single crochet, anything that I want to. You could probably actually read a book with this. It's bright enough. So, thanks for watching.